how to make your first $500 online with Instagram stories. So make sure you take note on what I'm going to show you on today's video, because this might be your chance to earn your first money on the internet. If you follow my step, everything what I show you on today's video, and make sure you stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to give a $10 PayPal giveaway. This can also help you to to start this strategy, okay, and invest this money on this strategy so you can start earning money, all right, on the internet. So make sure you stay tuned and don't miss this giveaway. I'm going to jump now in my computer and I will show you step by step on how you can make your first money on Instagram. Now we are on my computer, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your first $500 online with Instagram story. No, you don't need any followers. You don't even need to have any skills to work with this strategy I'm about to show you on today's video. Before we move on today's video, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I do create video every week that show people like you to make money online. So if you subscribe to my channel right now, I will send you an update each time when I create new videos like this, so you don't miss it. All right, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because that helps my video a lot to come to new viewers like you that want to learn how to make money online. All right, guys, and make sure you comment below. Let me know what you feel about this method. All right, and if you will implement this method. So with that being said, let's move on into this video. Okay, the first thing what we need is that we need an Instagram account that looks like this. So if you don't have any Instagram account, you want to go out there and create an Instagram account depending on any niche you want. All right, but for this video I'm going to use a money making niche. I have this Instagram account that I want to use it for this video example. All right, so what we want to do is that, first of all, I hope everybody should know how to open a new Instagram account like this. All right, so after opening this Instagram account, what we want to do is that we want to look for a niche. All right, and make sure you stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to give out a bonus that can even make you to start in this method I'm going to show you, this strategies I'm going to show you. All right, okay, and there is also a giveaway in this video. Okay, so let's move on. What we're going to do is that we want to use the power of Instagram stories to make money online. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to write hashtag Forex. You can use any type of hashtag you want, depending on what kind of niche you want to work on. All right, so first of all, we can just look at this new post here, like this one for example. Okay, and we try to look on the page. Okay, as you see, this person has 179,000 followers. This means this is 179,000 people following this page. We want to try and open many pages like this, okay, on a new browser, okay, because we're going to look on the different we're going to differentiate them and try to I will tell you what we're going to use them to do later. But first of all, let's just focus on different type of pages that we can use for what we're going to do. First of all, the concept on this strategy is that we want them to promote. We're going to use them for affiliate promotion, okay? But don't worry, this kind of affiliate, we are not going to sell anything, okay? And we're going to earn money for it, all right? So don't worry, just stay tuned. I'm going to show you everything. Let's just go ahead and look on a different type of post. Okay, let's open this one also and look at the post, the page. Okay, this doesn't have so much followers. We want to focus on people that have followers that at least more than 10,000 followers. All right, so we can still look at Forex Trader. Just check out this page here. Okay, this is also a very good example. Okay, as you can see, they're posting they have many posts based on trading. All right, based on trading. Okay, we want to open this page. Let's just go back. Okay, we try to open this page in a new Windows. All right. Okay, guys. And I know you might be thinking that what are we going to do with all these pages that we are opening, okay? That we are opening. So this now takes me to the next step, what we're going to use them to do, okay? Okay, this takes me now to the next website I'm going to show you, and this is what we're going to use this. What we're going to do with all these pages. Just stay tuned, okay? I will show you with the combination of this platform I'm going to show you now, which is called Audible. Okay, Audible is a audiobook website that is owned by Amazon. All right, you can buy audiobook. More than 1 billion people like to read books. All right, so Audible is a very good website for this kind of people, because Audible is for most people doesn't have time to read a book. Okay, what Audible is for is that you can get book that they are audiobook. You can the name already says it. Okay, you can listen to book through audios. All right, so no matter what you're doing, you might be cooking in your kitchen, you might be driving, you can still listen to the book. You don't need to take your time and read the book. You can listen to the book in audio. This is what Audible is. They have more than millions of books. So there's no book that you want that you're not going to get on this Audible website. And what we're going to do is that we want to become an affiliate from Audible. All right, this is the strategy that I want to show you. We're going to become an affiliate for Audible. All right, and to become an affiliate, you just need to go to Google and write Audible affiliate. Okay, so this will bring us to this page here. Now we are on Audible affiliate platform. As you see, all we just need to do is to advertise and drive traffic and start earning. This is how it works. If we get people to sign up for Audible Gold Digital membership, we will get $10 for each person that sign up through our affiliate link for Audible. The most very interesting part is that even when we get people to sign up for just free trials, we are going to earn $5 for it. Even if they quit after the trials, we will still earn $5. All right, so this is the very good part of this method I'm going to show you. You don't need to sell anything here. All what you need to do is to just drive traffic, as it's written up there, to drive traffic. And when people sign up for a membership, you get $10, or even when they sign up for a trial, you will get $5. It has never get so better than this before. This is very easiest way to make money online. So this is why you need to make sure you implement this strategy. All right, and I'm going to show you the next combination that we're going to use, how to make money with this strategy. All right, so now the next step we're going to do is the first thing. We want to sign up for Audible. We just need to come here and click on this, become an affiliate. I don't have too much time to show you all this now. Sign up process. Okay, you just need to come to become an affiliate, and it will show you, take you to the next step, that you need to fill your details and your country and everything. All right, so after that you are going to get you will get approved. You need to verify your email address and all sort of things. Okay, and after that you are ready to promote any book. So if you want to promote, to start promoting any book on this Audible, the best part of it is that people can even listen to it for free. All they need to do is to sign up for a membership or sign up for a free trial. All right, the next step is that I want to go to Google and write Forex trading book. All right, so that we can have ideas of forex trading books that we can look for on Audible. I have this one here, forex, let's say trading foreign exchange, okay, or black book forex trading, or forex for beginners. All right, so but let's just look at this trading foreign exchange, or let's just look at this forex trading. We now go to Audible and write forex trading. Okay, as you see, now we have so different type of forex trading book here. We also even have in Spanish. All right, so we have forex trading book here, okay, and this is audio, and it is for $19.95. Okay, the next step is that after finding the book and we already signed up for Audible affiliate, then we are going to get a affiliate link. All right, but I will move to that in the next step. Okay, we want to come to this place after signing up on Audible affiliate. Okay, then we can search for books like this and then take the affiliate links for such books. Okay, it will look like this here. Okay, it will look like the affiliate link will look like a URL. Okay, so this affiliate link, we then want to go to Instagram pages that we've opened, like this page here, okay, has 179,000 followers. Okay, it means they have 179,000 people who are interested in forex, who are interested in trading. So we want to go and contact this page owner. Okay, as you can see, this one's here, they have their email address here. Okay, for inquiry, we can DM them and ask them for a shout out rate. All right, and mostly my experience, for $10 you can get a shout out rate. I mean, you can get a Instagram page that people, I mean, that they're ready to make a shout out for you, and just for only $10 or if not $15. Okay, after then, when they agree to make a shout out for you, okay, and you also accept their rate, what you need to do is that you just need to give them the links you get from Audible affiliate book. All right, you give it to them, but you have to make sure that the book is related to what people like on these pages. For example, people will love something like trading, okay, like I said, on this page. So you want to try and give them link for this forex trading book affiliate that you've get. I mean, the affiliate link that you've get, you want to give it to them and tell them to make a shout out and put it on their story. All right, so when they put it on their story and make a shout out for you, so if just only for 24 hours, okay, this is the most rate that I used to get. But don't worry, before this video ends, I'm still going to show you a bonus website where you can get even more cheaper shout out rate, even if it's just 1% of these 179,000 followers that sign up for only a free trial. Remember, you get $5 per person who sign up for a free trial. That is a lot of money. That is, you can get almost $500 from that for just a little bit, 24 hours, for just a 24 hours shout out. All right, so this is why you need to implement this method, and this takes me now to the next website I'm going to show you. So this website, the name of the website is called Influencer Card. All right, so you want to go to influencercard.com. What you can do with this website on this platform is that you can find also more influencer that can make a shout out for you for an affordable price. Okay, but you just need to go and search for what is more suitable for your niche. All right, I'll see there's this person here has 293,000 followers and just wants $25 for a shout out. All right, so it depends on how long that can be. It could be 24 hours shout out, or it could be only just it can be 48 hours shout out. Okay, or even just only 8 hours shout out. Okay, so this is why you need to go through it very well, but make sure you go to this platform and search for what is suitable for your niche. Okay, like this one, like this person here, the luxury power. This page has 24,000 followers, all right, and wants only just $5 for a shout out. Okay, like I said, it might be only for 24 hours shout out, it might be only for 2 hours shout out, it might even be for only 8-hour shout out or 2 days shout out. So it depends on you. So you have to just go and try and contact them, okay, and ask them for how long will the shout out be, okay, and yeah, and you need to look if it's what you want, all right, if it fits your niche, okay, because that is very, very important. Okay, so like, and let's just go further. I can show you there are many type of influencer here that you can just go to. You might not even go on forex niche. It depends on what kind of niche you go in. Okay, first of all, let's go back again. What you need to do first is to create a Instagram page, and after then make sure you post maybe at least 1 or 2 3 posts. Okay, you don't need any follower for this strategy that I'm showing you. All you need to do is to just go to Audible, okay, and sign up, and you just click on this button here, become an affiliate, and then you're ready to go. If you get value on this video, make sure you smash that like button, because it helps this video a lot to get to many people out there who want to learn how to make money online. And also, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I create video every week that show people new strategies and methods to make money online. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click that notification bell button, so anytime when I create new videos like this, I will update you right away. Okay, so you don't want to miss it. And check out my recommendation in the description. And even if you don't have any money to start this method, okay, to start the strategies, to pay for at least the influencer, I'm doing a giveaway at this moment. All right, so check out on the screen to know what you need to do to get this giveaway. It's a free PayPal money. I'm going to choose 10 people, all right, at the end of this month. So make sure you take part in this giveaway so you can have the opportunity to get free PayPal money from me, direct from me to your PayPal account. All right, so thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you all, and peace out.